Today, we too live in times marked by dramatic situations that generate despair and prevent us from looking to the future with serenity. The tragedy of war, social injustices, inequalities, hunger, and the exploitation of human beings and the natural environment. Often the ones who pay the highest price are precisely young people. You sense the uncertainty of the future and are not sure about where your dreams will lead. In this way, you can be tempted to live without hope, as prisoners of boredom, depression, and even be drawn to risk-taking and destructive behaviors. For this reason, dear young people, I would like the message of hope to come to you, as was the case with Israel in Babylon. Today, too, the Lord is opening a highway before you, and He invites you to set out on it with joy and hope. Our life is a pilgrimage, a journey that pushes us beyond ourselves, a journey in search of happiness. The Christian life in particular is a pilgrimage towards God, our salvation and the fullness of every good thing. Our goals, achievements, and successes along the way, if they remain only material, will, after an initial moment of satisfaction, still leave us hungry, longing for something greater. They cannot completely satisfy our soul, because we were created by one who is infinite. As a result, we have an innate desire for transcendence, a constant restless drive towards the fulfillment of higher aspirations, towards even more. That is why, as I have often said to you, looking at life from a balcony is not enough for you young people. In the pilgrimage of life, there will inevitably be challenges to face. In earlier times, long pilgrimages involved coping with changing seasons and climates, crossing pleasant meadows and cool forests, but also snow-capped mountains and parched deserts. Even for those who are believers, the pilgrimage of life and the journey to our ultimate goal can prove tiring, as the journey through the desert to the Promised Land was for the people of Israel.